Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm the owner of Spanish for Kiddos, and today I want to show you some fun spring learning activities in English and Spanish. And before I do that, there's some fun ebooks here, especially here for St. Patrick's Day. This is a cute little story there to learn about St. Patrick's Day, as well as, of course, and if you're a member, you get all of these printables here, as well as these stories in English and Spanish, and this one's the Spring Season Bilingual Reading. So if you're a member, you get that as well. In our shops, we also have these fun activities, these little mini books like this for Earth Day, St. Patrick's Day, or even for Easter. Those are all types of spring stories that you can add to your lessons if you want to, and it's got some fun activities along with some fun reading in there as well. But what can you do for spring lessons? So one of the things you want to do is probably maybe practice some letters, numbers, and I wanted to mention that this is available as a Google Slide as an interactive, and I'll include the link there for a free sample so that you can see how it works. But basically what you're doing, you're just dragging some of the letters or tiles here into the maze. But how do you find the pot of gold? Now, one of the things you can do, and there is a key included so you don't have to figure where it is, but you're just trying to figure out where the path is to find the pot of gold. So that's where it is. You can actually even use a marker if you want to trace that in. But again, there's a key, so you don't have to worry about that. So what they want to do is actually start with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and then if you wanted to, you can do M, but you don't have to trace that there. You just focus. The goal is actually focus. How do we organize these letters in alphabetical order to get to our pot of gold? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So that's a really cute, fun activity that you can do that. So that's something that you can do. It's super simple, super fun. And the other activity is to practice some Spanish sight words. And again, if you are a member, this is included with your membership, and if you're an English exclusive language member, you actually have these available as well. So here we have just a set of Spanish sight words as well. And if you're a member, there's a whole module and 3 types of lessons where you get all of these Spanish sight words in English and Spanish. So just to let you know that that is available. So if I want to start practicing these sight words, can these match? No. Eat and play, not quite. So how can we find our word that's going to match? E and N. N and E here are going to match. So that's something to look for. What about verde? Verde matches with green. That's something we can do there. Jugar with play. They match up there. Red with arriba. Oh, not quite. What about rojo? Rojo and red. That could work. Arriba and up match. And then yo and I match. So this is a wonderful way to start practicing some sight words. And again, you don't have to do like 100 of those, but if you want to do maybe like a set of 10 to get started, or to refresh, or to even review some of those important words even before you want to start reading, that's actually a good thing to do to get them motivated to start looking for those words in context. So thank you so much for joining me today, and hope that you can join me for another fun bilingual video.